Jello. So let's try something new. A little bit of a curveball here is we're going to do the Bossa strum on the ukulele. And so I've prepared a little exercise for us here. Now, there are going to be 4 chords. It's going to go A minor, then it's going to go to C, then it's going to go to F, then it's going to E7, it's going to go back to the top again, in that order. So play those 4 chords. Try and keep that, relatively simple. So now let's talk about the strum, the interesting part. So the strum, if we're on A minor, it goes like this. It sounds like down, 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 up, 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 down, down. And then we would make the switch to C. So on C, it would be down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Now we're going to go to F. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Now E7. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. So let's try it in order with the chords and try it from the top. On A minor, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. C. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. F. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. E7. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Back to the top. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. C. Down, 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 up, 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 down. Next. Down, 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 up, up, down, down. E7. Down, 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 up, up, down. To the top. E7. Back to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, down, down. F. Down, down, up, E7. Down, 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 up, down. Back to the top. C. F. E7. Back to the top. Again. C. F. E7. A minor. There it is. Yeah, nice. So what I would do is I would slow it down, maybe take it from the beginning, and just have some fun with it. And once you get in the groove, you'll start to be able to play and sing with it. It's really fun to do. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I hope you have a nice day. Peace out.